The iconic start-off place for the up to pin the van, back down time trial. There it is up there. I'll be starting soon and I'll give you as many updates as I can. Right, it's quite dangerous, so I'll film the evidence, God willing, when I'm at the top. How's the hair looking? It gets too cold to sweat. And these snow boots, I'm going all over the place. And the clock's ticking. That is the sky behind me. That's snow. I just go right on my arse. Not far to go to the top. I get better equipment. Literally, it's only up there. I'm coming back Sunday with spikes in my boots. Hair looks good. Lace tape. I am sweating because it's so cold. Got a new barber. Danny, give me a short and scrape. Oh, should I do it? Oh, Sunday, when I got some proper boots. Over. Oh, I got to head down though. That could be fun. Hi. I'm absolutely gutted. Well, I'm on a roll now. I've never worn a Fitbit before, and it kept buzzing. So I thought, oh, it's my heart rate probably at 9,000. So I clicked it, and it said 38 minutes. What the? Barnett's taking a roasting from my fall. Bit of focus. I can see the end. Okay, I'm sat in the bongo. I've given my hair a brush. I've recovered. I've stopped for a coffee in Merthyr Tydfil. Really pleased with my efforts. On a serious note, Hair Systems has helped me keep fit, active, feeling good about yourself. It does make a difference. So thanks for watching if you've made it this far, and thank you, Wales, for having this Englishman in your beautiful country, and I loved it.